With the new update of iOS 18, you can now hide items and anything you don't want to see on the web page. Okay, let me show you how it works. First, just go ahead and open Safari and any website of your choice. After that, click on this icon right here, and you're going to see the Hide Distracting Items option. Now click on this option, and now you can use this to hide anything on the current web page. You can also use it to hide advert note. However, this is not permanent. Anytime you refresh the web page, everything is going to come back. Now I'm going to hide this part of the web page that I don't want to see. Just tap on this part, and then tap on Hide button, and now the part has disappeared from the web page. Now tap on the Change Country icon right here, and then tap on the Hide button. It is very easy to use, so let's click on Done, and we can now continue browsing on this website. If you want to restore everything that have hidden, just refresh the website, or click on this icon right here and click on Show Hidden Items, then click on the Show button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.